Hi, I'm in front of Joo Chiat Road. In this video, I'm gonna walk along this road to check out what is on offer. Let's go. This road is only 1 kilometer. The freshly baked bread. Look, the baguette is only 120. Even the Chinese cuisine is halal. So this is the popiah place. It's the Indian pastry and sweet shop. Singapore is still sleeping. There's also Little Vietnam here along Joo Chiat Road. Consists of a few Vietnamese restaurants. Wow, cafe place. Nice coffee smell. So I just visited another Chinese temple along Joo Chiat Road. So it's quite interesting that you don't know what you can find along this road. There's even a bus stop, so it's quite easy to get around. So cute. Oh no, they close on Monday. Again, don't come here on Mondays. I'm in this area of Joo Chiat Road that they have very beautiful Peranakan houses. Actually, those are the shop houses. So look, it's so beautiful, all these houses. These houses were all built by the Peranakan Chinese. So I guess this is the most beautiful part of Joo Chiat Road, which is the junction between Khoo Sen and Joo Chiat. So there is a nasi lemak place, the Malaysian nasi lemak. Oh, there's a Peranakan kitchen serving the Singaporean Nyonya food. As you can see, the houses along Joo Chiat Road, all kinds of architecture, and you can find all kinds of restaurants here. The thing about the buildings along this road is there are no high-rise building, you know, like the very tall buildings. That's all for my video of me walking along Joo Chiat Road. See you again. Bye bye.